Hello friends, this is Prashant. Today I'm going to share with you an unboxing video, sharing with you the first moments of a watch that I have recently ordered, or rather I would say watches. These watches I have ordered from hmtwatches.in, which is the official website, e-commerce website of HMT Watches, and they have recently updated their stock with some old watches, as in watches which were not recently in circulation. So I was able to order a couple of them, and I will show you what these watches look like. Okay, here are the typical HMT boxes, and they have been sealed with a sellotape this time. Okay, here we go. First one is in HMT Shiv white dial. I'll show you this one. Sorry for the noise of the polythene wrap. So this is HMT Shiv white dial, and I've also ordered an HMT Shiv black dial. So this is the HMT Shiv black dial. The watch has some dust on it. Yeah, I think now it is pure visual. Okay, so let me tell you a little about HMT Shiva watches, and before I talk about them, I'll also show you a couple of other Shiva watches from my collection. This is what we called an HMT Shiv Janta watch, because it is in a Janta watch case, and the dial is pipan like that of an HMT Janta. Another one that I have is the golden version of HMT Shiv. This is in HMT Gaurav's case. So we have seen these watches come in white, golden, and black dial variants. I'm sure there might be other variants as well. These dials are either in pipan shape, which is quite similar to HMT Janata or HMT Kiran, and others are flat like this one. So if you look at this watch closely, you will find that it says Amarnath Yatra. This particular watch or watches were created to commemorate the Amarnath Yatra, which is a Hindu pilgrimage to Lord Amarnath or Baba Amarnath for the Yatra. If you see closely here, you will find that there is a Shiv Linga over here, then Om, which is the symbol of Lord Shiva, or Omkar, and this over here is the hills, which are the Amarnath hills or the Himalayan hills. So, and also it has Shiv written over here in Devanagari script. It is a 17 joule parashock movement watch. This one is the Janata dial version, again Shivling, Amarnath hills, Om, and it says parashock 17 joule. It says Bharat mein Nirmit or made in India 020. So that is what it is. And these watches, I bought them directly from hmtwatches.in. They might be available for the next few days. The stock keeps on getting updated. Do order them if you want to. Okay, they will be delivered to your home. And thanks a lot for your time and your patience while watching this video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.